Hey friends, it's Gabby and back here in front of you, and today I will be showing you guys my skincare routine. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I do in the morning is to wash my hands because germs are gross and I don't want them on my face. The next thing I use is my Plexion cleanser. It was prescribed by my dermatologist, so I use it a lot, and also it doesn't foam up, which is why I just look like I'm just rubbing my face. So yeah. After washing my face, I continue with my skincare routine by putting my moisturizer from CeraVe. It's the PM moisturizer because I do not have the AM one, and also I heard that it makes your skin peel or something like that. So yeah. And then I move on to another prescribed product called the clindamycin lotion, which basically helps in getting rid of my hyperpigmentation and small bumps on my face, which results in smoother skin. So yeah. And finally, I'm using my sunscreen from Riley Rose from the brand kcon. It has SPF 50, and I use it every single day to protect my skin from the dangerous UV rays of the sun. But that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the main reason why my skin is so clear, and I've been using this skincare routine for the past 6 months, which is why my skin has completely changed from a year ago and 2 years ago to the present. So yeah, if you've seen some of my videos, you'll see the difference. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye! Also, I got a new haircut. Yay!
Time for